Hey guys, this is Calculus from Lee, and in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through a monotonic functions problem. It says show that the function f of x, which is equal to the square root of x minus 2, is increasing function of the domain d sub f, which is equal to 2 inclusive to positive infinity. How do you solve this problem? So for monotonic functions and for you to determine if a function is increasing over a domain, the first thing to do is to select two random numbers from the domain so that x1, x2 is a member of this domain df, where x1 is less than x2. So you first create this assumption, and this assumption is going to be our guide so that you know x1 is less than x2. Okay, so we want to prove that this function is increasing over the domain. Our goal is to show that f of x1 is less than f of what x2. That is all. How do you do this? In our domain, you realize that the smallest number is 2. Is that not it? So this x1 and x2 within the domain will surely, since you're choosing random numbers, you surely say that x1, even though it's less than x2, will be greater than 2 and it will be less than x2. At this point, what you're going to do is you are going to make sure that this function here will be equal to what you have here. So the first thing to do is to do a subtract 2 from both sides, right? So 2 minus 2 less than x1 minus 2 less than x2 minus 2, right? So at this point, you get 0 less than x1 minus 2 less than x2 minus 2, right? And you know it is square rooted, right? So you're going to have square root of 0 less than x1 minus 2 square root, right? Less than x2 minus 2, then you have your square root like that. So at this point, you can clearly see that the square root of x1 minus 2 is the same as a function of x1 is less than the square root of x2 minus 2 is also the same as a function of what? X2, which confirms that indeed our function is increasing over its domain. See you. Don't forget to subscribe and join tutorials anytime, anywhere.